Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Dart side mirror. Remove the interior door panel to access the mirror bolts, disconnect the wiring, and swap the old mirror for the new unit. Work gently to avoid cracking clips, keep fasteners organized, and test the mirror adjustment before reattaching the panel. Take photos if you need reference for reassembly, and use caution around glass and electrical connectors. Start by lowering the window for easier access, then remove the interior trim carefully to avoid breaking clips. Support the mirror with one hand while loosening the mounting bolts to prevent damage. Once bolts are loose, disconnect the wiring harness and lift the mirror away from the door. Keep bolts and clips together so nothing gets lost, and inspect the opening for rust or damage before installing the new mirror. Feed the mirror wiring through the door hole and position the new mirror into place, aligning all three mounting points. Hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them evenly to secure the mirror without overdoing it. Reconnect the electrical plug and test power and heating functions, then reinstall the trim panel and window controls. Final check should include mirror adjustment and a short road test to confirm everything stays secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.